Hello and welcome to another video, and this time I'm going to be cleaning this roof behind me. But when I was at the Cleaning Expo last month, Equip to Clean gave me this solar panel cleaning brush which runs off the pressure washer. So I thought this would be a good place to try it, because not only does it do solar panels, it will do conservatory roofs. I've even been told it's good for cleaning roofs. So we'll give it a go on this job. I'm going to spray it up with the constant flow first, quite green. So we'll give it a spray with the constant flow. We'll fire up the pressure washer and we'll see how this goes. To rinse the roof down, I turned the revs down on my pressure washer, screwed the needle valve down tight, so I was using a very low pressure. I also had a 40-degree nozzle, so it wasn't too concentrated in one spot. So I'm giving it all a scrub down with the revolting brush. And you've got to get the pressure just right. If you get it too low, it doesn't spin. Too high and you're going to do damage, I think. But if you get that Goldilocks spot, it does seem to spin quite well. Now I'm going to give it a rinse down. Since it's a clear glass roof, I'll give it a rinse down with pure water and then move on to the other side. Don't forget, if you're finding this video useful, informative or just entertaining, you can help support the channel by going to the app in the link below and buying me a coffee. So, what do I think of the solar brush? Well, I don't know if it's right to use on a job like this when you're balancing on top of a tower. I think it'd be alright, I think it'd be very good actually on solar panels, but it's just getting that sweet spot right with the pressure washer. Too much power and too much pressure and it lifts it up off the roof, not enough, and it doesn't spin. It just works like a brush going up and down. So yeah, under the right circumstances it is an excellent piece of kit, but I don't know if I'll be using it on a roof like this again. I have got a big pressure washing clean coming off where I'll be trying that, and I'll be trying the Chinese one that I had. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. I'll leave a link in the description below for the solar brush from Equip to Clean. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.